Hey, legal gangsters, this is Sean Lacey, aka Miss Officer. What you all are looking at is unlawful carry of a weapon charge from 28 years ago. If you look at number one, he was arrested on September the 14th, 1996. You look at number two, the charge unlawful carry of a weapon. And then number three was the actual date that the case was dismissed, which was 3 days later, September the 17th in 1996. And it has now been expunged from his criminal record. But up until 2023, this charge was still on his record, even though it had been dismissed. This is a prime example that offenses do not fall off, arrests do not fall off your record, convictions do not fall off your record, deferred adjudications do not fall off your record. You must file the necessary paperwork to have it removed from your criminal record. And again, this was a dismissal from 28 years ago. This is Texas law, but specifically, this is a Harris County case right here for this gentleman.